Test. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm doing another Storj and ScPrime compare video. This is the 230-day mark, and I am very happy that I have made it this far with my project and that I'm keeping up with the videos because I really think that it is beneficial for both you guys and for me. Before we get started, I want to talk about how I actually make sure my servers are running all the time with as much downtime as possible, as little downtime as possible, of course. I currently have about 99.9 uptime on my servers, pretty much. And the reason I have this is because of this app that I'm gonna show you now. So I'm just gonna bring up my phone and then I will show you what I have going on here. So if you search for Uptime Robot on App Store, you'll be able to download this application right here. Now, when I open that, I can go in here and I can press monitors and I can actually check how my uptime is. And I have a monitor for my server, which is ScPrime, for Storj 10 terabyte node and 1 terabyte node, and the Raspberry Pi 5 terabyte node. And as you can see, they're all looking great. 99.8, 99.9, 100% and 100%. I am gonna leave a link down in the description so you can download this app and use it on your servers. It is really great. You can get a notification when your server goes down, and yeah, it's just awesome. But let's get back into the video now. Let's just open up the Raspberry Pi Storj node first. So loading into this. Let me just refresh the page so that we can actually see the new and fresh data. All right, so let's go to the top. So this month I have been using 0.8 terabytes of bandwidth. Ingress is almost 600 gigabytes, which is great, and egress is about 237. Now, this node has been up for 230 days as well, I believe. No, actually, sorry, it's been up for a little less than 230 days, sorry. A lot less, actually, sorry. This node has a total disk space of 5 terabytes, and as you can see here, we have some free. There's quite a lot in the trash. I think stuff is getting deleted as users just don't need the data anymore. Now, I do have a 100% uptime, and I've currently made $5 this month. $5.50, I think that's decent for a Raspberry Pi just sitting in the closet, downloading some data. So let's keep that in mind when we add all the values together. So 5.46. Now let's look at the bigger server here. We can just connect to it. All right, there we go. Now let's open up here. Let's just refresh SCP, refresh and refresh. Just making sure I get the newest data possible. So this one that I'm loading up now is the 1 terabyte drive. As you probably know, it's already been filled up because it has been running for 230 days. It has been with me from the very get-go of this experiment. It has used 0.8 terabytes and there is almost nothing free. It is completely full. Now, I have made a total of $8, which has been paid out. I also have $9.50 in held amounts. And my current month earnings as of the 29th of September, which means we're getting a new month in 2 days, so this month is almost over, is $2.6. So let's add that to the other. So we have 5.46 plus 2.62. 2.62. All right. And let's look at the 10 terabyte node. It is getting a lot of data. I'm actually really happy about this one. As you can see, we had almost 630 gigabytes of ingress and egress of 321. Now, we have 1 terabyte of used space. We have just crossed the 1 terabyte mark, which is great. There is still over 8.9 gigabytes free. There's 31 gigabytes in the trash. I have almost 100% uptime except for these 3 nodes, but it is 99, so I'm happy. Now, I have total held amount of almost $3, a total earned amount of 0.1, but this month's earnings is 7.5, which is actually pretty good. I'm pretty happy about that. So $7.5, let's just add it here, $7.55. And I think we should move to the ScPrime now. Now, a lot of stuff has been going on with ScPrime, and it has been released. I know that the public can actually use this service now, which is just amazing. It just means so much to me. I have a total capacity of 1.8 terabytes, which I will increase soon, I think. And I have a use of 1.48 terabytes. I have received a current month incentives. Now remember, there's still a bonus period going on with ScPrime. So this is not real world data, this is just currently how the data is, of 104 SCP. I'm breaking all records. I've never made so much on my storage ScPrime before, and I'm really happy about it. So if we just convert SCP to USD, we can just try to calculate how much we have actually made. So as you saw, we had 104 SCP, and that equals to, this is the wrong website, I'm so sorry guys, just give me 1 second. This one should be fine. Yep, 104, which equals $22. Now $22, we plus that on top of the rest, we all of the sudden have made $37.6. $37.6 for 1 month of doing absolutely nothing. I haven't even maintained the server, it's just been running so stable. In my currency, let's just check how much that is. It is about 285 Danish crowns. Now, the power bill has gone up tremendously, and this actually does not cover power yet. So I'm still making a loss on my rig, but we're getting so close. I think we might be able to break the break-even point next month, which means I will be making the same amount of money as I'm paying in power, but we'll have to wait and see. That was it for this video. Thank you so much for paying attention and watching it. If you want to see more like it, I'm gonna make another one soon. So feel free to subscribe, give me a like, or hit me down in the comments if you have anything you want to know. Thank you so much guys, see you in the next one.